3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, we've got a lot going on in the forecast, not just with the tropics, but it looks like we've got a soggy weekend coming up and another round of scattered showers that gets started tomorrow. Let's start with a look at the satellite and the radar picture across the Gulf Coast. It's fairly quiet right now, but if you look down over towards the east, mostly the Big Bend of Florida, and see where they had all the showers earlier on today. A lot of moisture sitting out there. We've got an inverted trough that's going to be trekking across the Gulf of Mexico here over the next couple of days. It starts to get into our area sometime over the weekend. I think by the time we get into Saturday afternoon, we'll start to see showers a little more frequently, certainly more frequently than we saw today. Believe it or not, we ended up with a little bit of drier air worked its way into the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, really capped the showers today. Now, down at the surface, still plenty of moisture because it felt very, very muggy outside. That's not going anywhere. And because of that, you never really want to rule those showers out completely, so we'll go 40% rain chances once again for tomorrow. I think the majority of the day is going to be fine, that you'll start to see some scattered showers popping up a little later on in the afternoon and the evening. Out in the tropics, we are bound any moment now to see Tropical Storm Florence, probably this time tomorrow. We'll have an official named storm, but you're already starting to see tropical storm conditions. You've got potential tropical cyclone out there for the time being. Once it does become Florence, though, it does just stay out in the Atlantic. Really not going to be doing much of anything, eventually becoming a hurricane sometime early next week, and then we'll start to bend northwards up into central parts of the basin. So we're probably not going to talk about this storm much anymore. We have our own concerns out over in the Caribbean. This is where that wave is right now, not the one that has tropical potential, but this is where we have that trough that could bring us a little bit of wet weather this weekend. But the one that people are starting to talk about and that we're paying a little closer attention to is out over towards the Dominican Republic right now. And this is where we've got our next wave. Conditions really not favorable for that stretch between the Dominican and up through towards the Florida Peninsula. But as it starts to creep into the eastern Gulf, we may see conditions improve just a little bit. Models have not been able to agree on what they think this wave will do. It looked like they were trying to initialize some kind of tropical depression, tropical storm, but those runs seem to have come to an end as well, looking a little weaker right now. So what all this means is we'll have to just keep watching it. It's not going to develop overnight tonight. It will take several days, and we have time to monitor and keep up with the trends. Closer to home, this is what we're looking at for tomorrow. Pretty quiet through the first half of the day. Some scattered showers popping up in the afternoon. We'll go 30–40% on the rain chances. Mostly sunny skies. You'll see some clouds building a little later on in the day. By the time we get to Saturday morning should be quiet, but if you zoom out, you can see where that trough is. That's slowly going to push its way westwards. Expect the rain chances to increase through the day on Saturday. That could end up with some implications for Ragin' Cajuns kickoff. You may be dodging some showers for that. Again, keep your eye on the radar. It will not be continuous, never-ending rainfall, but you will see on again, off again showers throughout the course of the weekend. Again, a big round of moisture will start coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. That's on Saturday, really Saturday evening, Saturday night, and then picking up again on Sunday. I think Sunday probably actually going to be one of the wetter days. It won't be continuous rainfall again. When you wake up, you'll start to notice on again, off again showers. Overnight tonight, we're down to around 74 degrees, 10% chance for a coastal shower. We've seen that in the last couple of nights. We have basically the exact same pattern in place. A really, really heavy atmosphere out there. Very muggy outside. It's warm as well. Temperatures still sitting in the upper 70s. Currently heat index in the 80s. For tomorrow, up to around 91 degrees, hot and humid. A few scattered showers possible. We could throw some thunderstorms in there because it has been so humid lately. You don't really want to go much less than about 40%, but it will probably look similar to today and yesterday. Better rain chances on the way, though, for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And until we know what's going on in the eastern Gulf of Mexico next week, we'll just keep going with scattered rain chances. Highs in the 90s and upper 80s with the extra cloud cover this weekend. Lows will sit down in the middle 70s.
So if you're considering taking off on Monday for the long weekend, what do you think? Yay, nay?
You could. I mean, you could get some stuff done.
I just realized what he said.
Yeah.
One of us is definitely going to be here on Monday.
Still thinking about it. We'll see what happens.
Someone else is considering.
Maybe the forecast will change. We'll see.
Yeah, that'll
just
tell.
come to work.
That'll tell.
That'll be the factor. Thanks, Daniel.